So the goal of the research that we are doing in the context of this European research grant is to try to understand better the molecular mechanisms that lead to the development of metabolic disease. And metabolic disease are obesity and type 2 diabetes.
The increase of these types of conditions nowadays raises major public health issues. One of the reasons for diabetes, or obesity, is the inability of our organism to adapt to the changes in our environment.
Because of the change of our daily environment, with more food and also a decrease in physical activity, then we are storing too much fat, getting obese, and this leads to type 2 diabetes. And so what we would like to understand is how nutrition and physical activity can interact with all the metabolic process in our body to try to understand what goes wrong.
Supported by a European funding, the University of Lausanne's researcher has been able to hire several associates to carry out this study at the Unil Center for Integrative Genomics.
The work we are doing in the laboratory is really focused on understanding how blood glucose concentration is regulated. And so we know that the pancreatic beta cells, these are special cells which are located in the pancreas, which secrete an hormone which is called insulin, and this hormone has a critical role in controlling blood glucose concentration. And so we know that in type 2 diabetes, defects in this pancreatic beta cell is probably the key to cause the disease.
For Bernard Thorens, participating in European research projects offers numerous advantages.
One is, of course, the financial resources that we get, and which can allow us to generate or develop new techniques, new projects that and hire also very good people to develop this project in the lab. And another aspect is also for young collaborators in the lab. This is also an occasion for them to develop their own network and prepare their own career in the field. On the administrative side, which have been very criticized, actually, being part of a European project, if you are just as a member of a network, the administrative load is not very high. And there is very good support from the university actually for managing all the financial aspects, and which is really probably the heaviest part of the administrative work. Yeah.